va?
Now we're gonna go through Darbadia, meaning this is a real traditional house. They didn't make like new, like the house we saw it. No, it's already like this.
진짜 오래된 것 같은데? 여기는 우리 방인데 여기서 웨디 형이 있어. 이곳은 튀니지 제3의 도시 수스입니다. 저희는 어젯밤에 여기 도착했고요. 메디가 튀니지에서 꽤나 유명하잖아요. 그래서 도시 곳곳마다 그 아는 지인분들이 계신데 여기는 메디의 지인분이 하시는 게스트하우스입니다.
Actually here you have like two things, sweet and spicy. These traditional food. It's breakfast. Finishing breakfast.
What is this?
Name Asida.
타키 전통 식사라고 해서 막 크게 막 다르고 그렇지 않아요. 근데 좀 더 이런 메뉴들이 좀 더 심플한 것 같아요.
By the way, exactly this house, not this house, but this place, because before it was old house and they make renovation. The age is 800 years.
800.
800. So long time. Long time. Even you see that one, the decoration, those things here, the decoration of garbage and ground. Also here, see the design of the wall. It's all old. Even though it's not color, by the way. This is not paint.
Ah.
Yeah, this is natural color. From spices, from this, for example.
Like this?
Yeah. And before people, they put a lot of this fish, like also that one. It's real fish.
Ah, is it real fish?
Yeah, yeah. Also there, see, another one. And that one, the eye too, the blue one.
Yeah.
So just for beds, like.
여기 보시면은 이 집이 복층 구조로 돼 있어요. 그래서 저기 위로 계속해서 연결돼서 옥상까지 올라갈 수 있거든요. 옥상에 올라오니까 이게 올드타운 메디나가 다 보이네요. 그늘만 있으면 좀 좋을 것 같은데 위에 올라오니까 바람도 불고 좋네요. 아 근데 너무 뜨거워. 메디가 튀니지에서 살짝 유명하잖아요. 그런데 사실 여기 수스에 온 이유가 여기 라디오 일정이 있다고 합니다. 그래서 거기로 이제 가는 중인데 제가 예전에 메디의 영상에도 나왔었거든요. 그래서 튀니지에서 살짝 메디의 영상을 보신 분들 몇몇이 알아보는 분들이 계세요. 그래서 라디오에서 저도 함께 초청을 해주셔서 같이 라디오에 참석을 할 예정입니다. 이제 도착했어요. I'm nervous now. I never expected that I go to Tunisian radio. This one?
They are live already. جماعة live déjà.
It's already started.
الطاقة الإيجابية وتنحي لك الطاقة السلبية. كان تجديد كهرباء، عندك سفرة مع أصدقاء على قريب، رد بالك. فما حاجة مش تتهز لك، حاجة مش عبيد مش يوتروا. هي
ديما محلاه جو معاك كريمه، خاطر ديما كي تحكي ديما عندك البهجه والروح.
فما
يا
حاجة
جوان،
مش تتهز لك،
يا
حاجة
جوان.
مش عبيد
شو كي تسهوك؟
مش يوتروا.
الله لا تربحك يا جوان. يجي جاب ربي قلتها باللونجلي. They are live already.
مع انسان انت حبه وانسان نرجسي ومرحبا بالناس الكل.
يعطيك الصحه ريما. شغله
سافا؟
How are you?
아슬라마.
بركات عليك. خلطت مع برج الحب.
عرفتوا مهدي ولا لا؟
على برج
지금 잠깐 쉬는 시간이 돼서 이제 들어가나 봐요.
عايشك.
So we go in now.
Yeah, after this music, yeah, after this song.
So
After break, we come on the right time.
where we
They will tell us.
Okay.
They will tell us.
I'm nervous now.
جوان. تاعنا كنت مازالوا العباد ما يعرفوش، كنت في الفلبين.
قول هو
هو جيوان.
جوان.
هو اصلا اسمه جيوان. What exactly your name جيوان؟
재원.
شيوان.
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 재원.
اما انا but me I always call you G1 because it's more easy.
Yeah,
اختار
he-
حرف الجي والواحد.
اي
He
Yeah.
changed my name.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good?
Yeah,
Okay, what do you
Aslama.
like it in Tunisia?
I like food, like Santungsi,
Santosi.
Yeah,
Now
Santosi.
you remember the name? Okay.
and I like lebleb.
لبلب.
Yeah.
هذه ما ترجموهاش ما بعد ما عملهم الكل تعدى للسبيطار هو عمل لي بايخ وخرج على روحه. Also Hindi, right? You try Hindi.
Hindi,
You
yeah.
eat a lot of Hindi. كلا برشا ماكلة وعروسات حمام
Hammam, yeah, was nice.
شدوا فتحوا
Yeah.
من بعض وهزيتوا عنا رحاي الضرب تشوفوه في الفيديو
I'm very clean now.
خرجوا المهم امور واضحة على الآخر.
What do you think
Yeah.
about traditional culture Tunisian? What do you think about?
It's actually I visit some Muslim countries before, but this is kind of new for
Translate,
me.
please.
Yeah.
Welcome to Tunisia. Welcome, especially at our radio, TV, Jawhara. Don't forget radio, Jawhara, TV, and radio. Okay?
Don't forget
Thank you
the
for
name.
inviting me.
Please.
Aishik.
Your
عايشك What do you know else? عايشك.
Aishik and Aslema.
Hey.
I know some words, but
No,
I
no,
cannot
the
say.
other one.
Yeah.
Sama.
Yeah.
تعرف
Yeah,
يعوجوه في المجال إن شاء الله. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Do you want to know about your horoscope? القوس أنت قوس.
Yeah. Mine is
Sagittaire.
sister.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
عندك فرحة وعندك عرس.
You're gonna meet your love, I think, in Tunisia.
Really.
ثم محبة في جديد إن شاء الله.
There is a new love coming.
وماذا بيه حتى عائلته يجيبها معاها لهنا.
Yeah, she said she has a good idea that next time bring your family because maybe you're gonna meet your love in Tunisia.
Okay.
So at least your family will be with you here.
حب حاجة يعملها.
Are you thinking about business?
Business
Yeah.
in here?
No. Anyway,
هنا
anyway.
في تونس
Yeah.
في
In
تونس.
Tunisia, do you want?
Maybe.
Maybe because
Maybe,
I'm here.
okay.
Don't worry. With مهدان
Okay.
أمورك في التشيز في الأجبال.
اوكي امورك في تشيز. يلا
أكيد.
انت ولدي وحبيبي.
عايشك يا حلوم
ميرسي
يا
بوكو
غالي.
اللي تعمل فيه كله في البلاد.
عايشك.
بالحق.
من عم بوزينة.
Have a good time.
Thanks for inviting me. Bislama.
سلامة.
سلامة.
Bislama.
يلا.
عندك.
ميرسي بوكو. لا مثل الكل.
عايشك حلوم. باي باي.
Aishik.
Was good.
이거는 쿠스쿠스라고 하는 건데 메가로 만들었다고 하네요. Are you from Algeria too?
Yeah, yeah.
You looks like European.
She look like European. More.
Sorry?
She said same in Tunisia, like spicy, but I think you eat more spicy.
This is not spicy.
Every
Every food
more spicy.
This is basic in Korea. Every food.
I was in Korea, but I didn't see anything spicy.
You didn't go spicy.
But us, all the food spicy. You drink something spicy. I'm saying no, but you're all spicy.
صديقي جوان
For me.
استمتع
Aishik.
بضوء الحياة وضوء الصداقة والحب والوفاء إن شاء الله تضوي طريقك.
What is
I'm gonna translate this one in your video. It was very good words to say to you.
Aishik.
This is very old thing. Before they was using it for the light. People they don't have light before, so they make fire, and I think they put it like this. Some of them was like this on the wall, and some you can put it on the table or behind.
Aishik.
Merci جوان.
네, 이렇게 수스에서 튀니지 전통집도 경험해보고 그리고 메디 따라서 라디오도 가고 재미난 경험을 했습니다. 그럼 다음 영상에서 뵙겠습니다. 고맙습니다.